Ford is accelerating its push into electric vehicles. The US car maker and its Korean battery partner, SK Innovation, are investing $11.4 billion on a new factory and 3 battery plants in the US. Monday's announcement is the single largest manufacturing investment in Ford's 118-year history, as it aims for around half of its global vehicle volume to be electric by 2030. The automaker's portion of the investment is $7 billion, with SK covering the rest. Some 11,000 new jobs will be created at the sites planned for Stanton, Tennessee, Glendale, and Kentucky. Ford is America's second largest car company, and the move is a major step in a wider push by automakers looking to roll out EVs while China and Europe seek to reduce vehicle emissions. Ford North American Chief Operating Officer Lisa Drake told Reuters, quote, "For us, this is a very transformative point, where we are putting our capital in place now in a very big way to lead the transition to EVs." The company plans to launch the electric F-150 Lightning pickup truck next spring.